Bonjour and welcome to Learn French with Nat. So in this video, we're going to go over 12 words that we use in English and in French. They look the same, they mean the same thing, but they definitely don't sound the same, all right? So stick around if you want to learn how to properly say them in French. Salut and welcome to Learn French with Nat. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Nat, and I love going over French with you, whether it's expressions or vocabulary or grammar. So be sure to subscribe because I'll post 2 new videos a week, and I want to make sure that you don't miss a single one, all right? Now let's get into the lesson. Okay, so here's a list of 12 words that you're definitely going to recognize because we use these words in English, but we also use them in French. So they're spelt the same way, they have the same meaning, but we definitely don't pronounce them the same way, okay? These words are called cognates. I'm not sure if I'm saying that properly, but I can definitely tell you how to say the words though, okay? So first word, an accident. The way you say this word in French is un accident. Accident, un accident, okay? Cousin, a cousin. A cousin in French is un cousin. Cousin. You say cousin, spelt the same way, okay? Danger. Danger in French is un danger. Danger. Journal. Journal in French is un journal. Journal. Fruit. To be fair, I think this word is much more difficult in English. Fruit. You definitely don't say it how you spell it. Anyways, that's another story. In French, it's un fruit. Fruit. Okay? Long. Long in French is long. You don't pronounce the G at the end, okay? So it's long. Long. Train. Train in French is un train. Train. That's a nasal vowel, it's a nasal sound, so you don't pronounce the N at the end. So it's un train. Voyage. Voyage in French is un voyage. Voyage. Typically, in French though, voyage would be more, the way I would use it would be as a trip. A trip. A voyage seems to be more of a long-winded adventure across the globe. Un voyage in French is a trip. So, similar, but not exactly the same. A blouse. A blouse is une blouse. Blouse. So we replace the S sound with a Z sound. Blouse. Nation. Nation in French is une nation. Nation. So they both have that S sound for the T. Nation. Avenue. An avenue in French is une avenue. Avenue. Okay? And the last one is route. Route in French is une route. Route. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed this list of 12 words, which all have a shared linguistic origin, which I find super interesting. So, let me know if these words made sense below. Let me know by typing French below in the comments. I'll be really interested to know. And don't forget to subscribe because I post 2 new videos a week, and I want to make sure you don't forget any, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Merci les amis.